Hi friends, I am Ambika from Narayana Tech House. I want to explain the Python program and the question is write a program to fetch all words which contain even number of characters and my string is Narayana Tech House Hyderabad. So firstly we have to split the string and assign it to st1. So after splitting it, the resultant output will be in the list format. Here the space is there, so delimiter is not necessary to take. Then it will be in the list format. After splitting, we should take new list. So once we have taken the new list, the next process is to check the I value is even or not. For that, for I in st1, here the first time the I value will be Python and the second time I value will be Narayana and the third time the I value will be tech and the fourth time the I value will be house and the fifth time the I value will be HYD. After getting the I value, we should check the words is even or not. For that, we should use length function. Here length of I modulus 2 equals to 0. We know that first time the I value is Python. The character of the Python is 6. So 6 modulus 2 equals to 0. The condition is satisfied. Here 0 equals to 0. Then if the condition is true, then we should append it into new list. So once we appending into the new list, then it looks the first time the I value will be Python. Next time the I value will be Narayana. So Narayana, the character of the Narayana is 8. So 8 modulus 2 equals to 0. This condition is satisfied. Here 0 equals to 0. If the condition is true, we should append it into the list. Now it becomes Narayana. Now third time the I value is tech. Here the character of the tech is 4. Then 4 modulus 2 equals to 0. 0 equals to 0, the condition is true. Then append it into new list. Then next time the list will be tech. Now the next time the I value is house. Then the character of the house is 5. 5 modulus 2 equals to 0. The condition is not satisfied. So we should not append it into new list. Then no changes in this list. Next time I value is 3. 3 modulus 2 equals to 0. Again this condition is also not satisfied. So we should not append it into new list. Then finally the list is in this format: Python, Narayana and Narayana Tech. After doing all these iterations, the final is we have to print this. So print of new list. The above program, and after doing all these iteration, the final output is this is the output of the above program. Thank you.